Whenever the trading is going good. Oh, look how light and beautiful the mood is now. So, I'm in like 6 different trades right now. No biggie. My limit really is 3, but it's all good. About to show you guys some positions. The ones with the vertical lines, I'm actually in. The ones without vertical lines are ones I measured up, but didn't even get in. So, USDJPY, very nice. Waiting for this to hit profit target, 2.3, big boy trade. I love it. 1.88 on this one. Profit target was on the daily 50 EMA. As you can see right here, we just kissed it. Just kissed it. All right. NZD USD. I don't think I had anything on this one. No, I don't. Nothing there. Almost got shook out NZDCAD. This is interesting, and it's actually a lot more of a risky trade than it seems to be. Yeah. Definitely more. Yeah. We'll see what happens on that one. I'm waiting it out. Euro USD, same situation. Feel like I picked a great time to get in on this one, or the timing was good, the positioning's good, and we actually have some sideways movement there. So we're gonna go sideways for a second, and then I think we're gonna stair step up. That's what I'm waiting for. This is gonna be good for 1.72. Might ride it all the way up to 382. I think. We'll see. We'll see how high it goes. EURCHF, this is the one I am the most excited about. So if you guys will remember, I actually measured this up based on key level. So let me show you a bigger chart. So this is the key level that I saw, and then this is the fib that I drew based on that leg, and these are touches in the recent past, not so recent past, 2017, last time we were this low. I don't think we're going to go like way lower than where we were in 2017. 2015 we had like this stupid crazy drop. What the hell happened here? Oh my gosh, that is a massive candle. I wonder what that is. Anyways, there was something going on here, obviously. It's really, really, really ugly. Anyways, I think we're bouncing higher from here. This is like a big low level, a huge, and it's at a round number, 60.50. I remember writing that in. Anyways, this one's got some serious legs on it, in my opinion. Definitely want to risk the 1% for the 5.94 risk reward on this one. So excited to see what happens there. EURJPY, didn't get in on this one. Could have been a pretty easy trade. I'll go ahead and draw in risk reward here. It's nice. 1.4. Less than that. 1.36. Not a huge trade, but automated, quick, easy. Didn't get this one. That's fine. I don't need all of them. EURCAD. This one's going to be interesting profit target wise. I don't know what I was thinking on profit target. Clearly, this is a respected area. This is 382 fib. Fib is drawn on the daily right here. And so, for some reason, I think that we're going to go beyond that. This wasn't a good trade. I was tripping here. Maybe I get out of this. I don't know. I'm going to draw an alert at 382. Apparently, I got other alerts right now. CHF, I don't need that anymore. Yeah, I'm going to go. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm feeling so good. I'm so happy. All these trades. I needed it though, man. After that USDCAD position, man, that thing had me sick. I'm not gonna lie. I usually don't get mad or emotional about trades, but man, I put so much energy and time into that. That's all I got though. EURCAD. These others I didn't even get into. I actually deleted the shape up on some of these. Could have maybe played this down just for a quick little trade, but there's no meat there. You see what I'm saying? There's not a lot of space there. So, oh, AUDJPY. So notice this earlier, 1.5, quick, easy. I was scared to trade this for some reason. I just didn't want to. I wasn't feeling it. Didn't think that we were actually going to go down lower. Wasn't sure. Even though our MACD is definitely giving us bearish signals. Why is my NZDJPY way down here? No trade on NZDJPY. Maybe we could have. Obviously, we could have done this, but we didn't. It wasn't something I was looking at for some reason. Oops, wrong one. This is really pretty big trade there for not very much work. NZDJPY, so JPY stuff. Yeah, a little bias there. We're in USD 2.3, which is better than both of these actually, risk reward wise. Yo, JPY, did I get it? I didn't get in this. Did I get in this? Did I get in this? Did I get in this? Nah, I didn't get in this. It's all good. The ones I did get into, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we go. Yeah, those 6. That's what I'm actually in. Obviously, there's some other trades that I shaped up that look really freaking good, but it's probably after the fact type of thing. That one, 1, 2, 3. So 9 trades total that look amazing. It's nice, man. Yep. There is plenty of opportunity in the markets, man. Don't ever feel like you're down and out or screwed. Just kind of wait. Keep watching. That's why analysis is so important. That's where these trades stem from, analysis. More and more and more. Anyways, all right. Peace, guys.